laundry room.
Yeah, look at, they got, see how nice?
Oh, pool cover.
Yeah.
Mm.
And then this, the top has the pools. It's got a nice closet.
Don't need to buy.
I don't have my oven
Oh.
rack.
No, right. Probably on. What to buy?
Yeah, I gotta buy oven racks. See, those
It's
have
nice
pools.
granite, huh?
Yeah. Big. And then there's the pantry. Oh, I just need to get some more of these. Nice side-by-side refrigerator with ice maker.
And here's the living room.
Oh, it doesn't fit out.
Which one? And here's the back. I'm going in the back with covered patio. See, there's a covered patio where the little kid could play. And here's the master's bedroom. Master's bedroom. And going into the master's bedroom bathroom. A walk-in closet. What's this? Oh, another closet. And there's the bathroom. Here's the bathroom. There's Cecile's bathroom. And then we'll go upstairs.
I'm trying to figure out how I would do my furniture. If I put the TV over there and then the couch over here, and then maybe get a couple of more chairs over here or another couch.
Yeah. I'll go upstairs. Okay, I'm going upstairs to see what's upstairs. Going upstairs. Nice big room. And here's the loft. See there? They have a loft. Lofty loft. Let's see down there. Here is one room. With a big closet. There's the back. There's her back. Oh, the front. This is the front one. Because there's the car.
The Berber carpet's really nice, huh?
Yeah. And here's another room. The 2-bedroom.
Yeah, this one, the other one's Lauren's room. I'm gonna make this one Lauren's room.
Yeah, the bigger one.
Yeah.
And here's the bathroom, upstairs bathroom. Okay, here's the upstairs bathroom. That's it. Down the stairs. we go
All the
down.
rooms have
Just,
ceiling fans.
huh?
I said all the rooms have ceiling fans.
That's the whole house. See, that is the whole house.